Most beginners look at a candle and just see green or red, but every candle is actually telling you a story. Who's in control during that period, how hard they pushed, and whether they held their ground by the close. Once you can read that story, the chart talks you differently. Welcome back. Today is about candle strength, how to read individual candles to understand the balance of power between buyers and sellers. I'll be showing you real examples on PU Prime's web trader, so you can see exactly what strong and weak candles look like on the live chart. This isn't complicated, but most people skip it, and it fills in a huge gap in how you read price action. So let's go. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So here we are on PU Prime's web trader, and we're going to be using the Bitcoin and the daily chart to show you these candlesticks. So let's get into it. So every candle has a body, right? The space between the open and close. And then the wicks, which are the thin lines above and below the body showing the highest and lowest points price reached during that period. The body tells you where price started and ended, right? The wicks tell you where price tried to go but got rejected. A strong bullish candle closes near the top of its range. Small or no upper wick. It's a solid body. It tells you that buyers were in full control for that entire period. They pushed price up and held it there right through to the close. There's no meaningful rejection. That's strength. A strong bearish candle closes near the bottom of its range. Small or no lower wick. Solid body. Sellers were in control. They pushed price down and held it there. That's selling pressure with conviction. So here's where it gets interesting. A candle that pushes up aggressively during a period but then closes back down where it opened, that's a rejection, right? The wick above is long, the body is small. Buyers tried to push up and got completely overwhelmed by sellers before the close. That's not strength. That's a failed attempt. Same in reverse. You know, a candle that drops aggressively then closes back up near the open, long lower wick, small body, shows sellers tried to push down and got rejected hard by buyers. That's a bullish rejection signal. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, for me, a good way to read the candles is by looking at the strength. So, you see here, we closed above the wick. The body of this next bullish candle closed above. That shows the strength. That means the next day, I'm expecting price to continue and take out the high of this, which it does. We get a little pull back and it pushes through and the body closes above again. So when I then think about the next day, I think continuation. So it's a really easy way to read it, right? Price comes down, we push up, we close above. So again, my expectation for the next candle is to close above this wick. So again, we push up and then price comes down and rejects. So we completed the target, the body sets back inside the prior candle. So my next expectation is price to then take the low of that candle. We get a body set through. So again, strong bearish, we expect price to at least come down and take this. Price then closes back inside the range after wicking it, showing bullish pressure. So I would expect price to then push above here. We then get a body close above. So I would expect price to then close above this candle, right? And then you can see that we failed on this particular attempt here, where price obviously set bearish, but as we spoke about earlier, big wick that side, big wick this side, small body. So price just wanted to continue up, which is fine, right? That's not a problem. I was expecting price to break below here, but it's okay. But this is a super easy way to read the market, to understand what's going on, who's in control. Yeah, again, close below, strong body. We would expect price to continue lower, which it eventually does. It pushes down again, strong body. I would expect price to continue below here, which is what it does, right? It came back a little bit, it's fine, but then we broke below here, and again, price to break below here. Now, this is purely from a narrative perspective. You can't really do this on the 1 minute. It's too much noise. Spreads aren't good enough, but the price is fractal, and this is a really good way to add in a narrative for yourself. Obviously, we speak about market structure, but even just candle body closer direction, understanding that this day we set very bearish, the body set across. I know that I would be wanting to look for sell trades coming down to here. So this is what we're going to talk about in the next video, how to take it to the lower time frames and capitalize on these moves. But a very easy way to read the market. Now, reading candle strength is a skill you build by watching a lot of candles. And the best place to do that is on a platform with clean, accurate charting, which is exactly what PU Prime's web trader gives you. The candle data on PU Prime is clean and reliable, which matters more than people realize when you're trying to read strength and rejection accurately. Messy data gives you false signals. Clean data gives you clarity. Now, PU Prime are running a World Cup trading competition right now, and this is a big one. I'll leave all the details in the description below, but if you're looking for a reason to get your account set up and active, this is it. Go check it out. And on top of the World Cup promo, PU Prime have a few things worth knowing about if you're just getting started, because learning market structure is step one, but you need the right platform to practice it on. The Trading Academy on PU Prime also covers price action fundamentals. So if today's video has opened something up for you and you want to go deeper, there's structured content right there in the platform to continue from. And the copy trading feature is worth revisiting here, because once you start reading candle strengths properly, you can look at a signal provider's trade history and start to understand why they entered at specific points. You're learning from what you're copying, not just following it. PU Prime World Cup promo is still running, so the link is in the description. Candles are telling you a story every single period. Start listening. PU Prime link is in the description below, so go ahead and click on that. Strong close, conviction. Close back inside, rejection. Long wick is a failed attempt. 3 reads every candle, every chart. It becomes automatic. So get on PU Prime, open any chart and start reading every candle that closes at a key level. That's how this skill gets built. The link is in the description. The last video in the series is the higher time frame bias and why the time frame you trade on isn't the time frame that matters most. See you there.